English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. Sounds that often disappear too. I will probably go. The middle sound is often dropped. What does it actually sound like? Probably go. Probably go. My family. It is often pronounced with one less syllable. How would a native say it? Family. Family. I run every day. Fast speech drops a sound. What's the natural pronunciation? Every day. Every day. Everyone is different. It sounds shorter in conversation. What do people usually say? Different. Different. It is my favorite movie. One syllable is often reduced. What does it sound like? My favorite movie. My favorite movie. I eat vegetables. The middle sound becomes weak. How do natives say it? Vegetables. Vegetables. I have a camera. It gets shorter in fast speech. What does it actually sound like? Camera. Camera. I like chocolate. One sound is often omitted. What's the natural version? Chocolate. Chocolate. That is interesting. It becomes much shorter in conversation. How would a native say it? Interesting. Interesting. We are going to a restaurant. The middle sound often disappears. What does it really sound like? Restaurant. Restaurant. This chair is comfortable. Everyday speech shortens it. What's the natural pronunciation? Comfortable. Comfortable. I actually knew that. The first syllable becomes weaker. How do people usually say it? Actually. Actually. Basically, it is okay. It is spoken more quickly in conversation. What does it sound like? Basically. Basically. Seriously? The middle sound is reduced. How do natives say it? Seriously? Seriously? Literally. Fast speech drops a syllable. What does it actually sound like? Literally. Literally. Probably go. Probably go. Family. Family. Every day. Every day. Different. Different. My favorite movie. My favorite movie. Vegetables. Vegetables. Camera. Camera. Chocolate. Chocolate. Interesting. Interesting. Restaurant. Restaurant. Comfortable. Comfortable. Actually. Actually. Basically. Basically. Seriously? Seriously? Literally. Literally. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.